When it comes to home security, Cove Security has made a name for itself with its DIY-friendly, wireless system that promises easy installation and reliable protection. But does it really live up to the hype? In this video, I take a deep dive into the Cove Security website and search to find out. Right from the homepage, it's clear that Cove is pushing simplicity and affordability. They claim you can set up the system in minutes without any professional help. The first thing I explore is the product lineup. Cove offers various packages, including motion detectors, door sensors, glass break sensors, and even medical alert devices. Compared to traditional security providers, like ADT, Cove aims to cut out the middleman with no long-term contracts and lower upfront costs. Navigating the website is straightforward, and I appreciate the transparency in pricing. However, while they do offer financing options, the total cost over time can add up, especially if you opt for their monitoring service. Speaking of monitoring, Cove provides two main plans, one with professional 24/7 monitoring and another with self-monitoring capabilities. The professional plan includes features like cellular backup and environmental monitoring, which are great for peace of mind. But one thing I noticed is that if you cancel the monitoring plan, the system loses a lot of its functionality. Unlike some competitors that allow you to use the system without an active subscription, Cove heavily relies on its paid plans. I also looked into customer service, which is a crucial aspect of any security company. Cove advertises quick response times and great support, but digging into customer reviews, I found mixed feedback. Some users praise the support team for being helpful, while others report issues with slow response times and troubleshooting difficulties. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts. I used to face that problem too, until I discovered GiveMeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. One of the standout features of Cove is its easy installation. The system arrives pre-configured, so all you have to do is place the sensors and control panel around your home. This makes it an appealing choice for renters or people who don't want to drill holes in their walls. On the downside, the customization options are somewhat limited compared to more advanced smart home security systems. If you're looking for deep integration with other smart home devices, like Google Nest or Amazon Alexa, you might find Cove lacking in some areas. Another potential drawback is the equipment return policy. While Cove does offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, some users have reported issues with refunds and returns. It's always good to read the fine print before committing. Overall, Cove Security is a solid option for homeowners and renters who want an easy-to-use, contract-free security system. It's not the most feature-rich system on the market, but for those looking for straightforward protection without professional installation, it's worth considering. If you're willing to pay for the monitoring service, it becomes even more valuable. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews on smart home security and tech products. Let me know in the comments if you've used Cove Security, or if you have any other home security recommendations.